Can you make money from YouTube Shorts? I hear you cry. Yes! I cry back at you. All right, let's just all stop crying and get on with the flipping video. I'm Ed, this is Business Film Booth. This is the logo flash that will waste 5 seconds of your day, and this is me cutting it out to save you some time. In this video, you'll learn how shorts make money from ads and how you can make money from them even if you don't have ads. Yay! So how do you make money from YouTube Shorts? Let's start off by looking at ads. Your YouTube Shorts do make money from ads, so long as you have monetization enabled and you're in the partner program. The thing that isn't great is they don't make money when the traffic source is the short shelf. But this could change, and if you watch my video about why these could change the platform from wherever, you'll know why it probably will start to include ads. So let me just show you this. If we go to a Shorts data, then go to the Reach tab, then click See More, all of those Shorts views you can see right there didn't make any. But don't worry, because Shorts do make money when viewed here, pretty much everywhere else on YouTube. Now you might be thinking, well, the whole point is to get loads of views from the short shelf, so that kind of sucks. But actually, if you've been watching our Shorts content, you'll know that you can get a load of views from outside of the short shelf too, so it's not a total write-off. If you didn't know that, then the playlist at the end is going to help you a lot. The second way is something I need your help to verify. So there are reports coming into Business Film Booth HQ saying that people have been watching Shorts content on the short shelf and then finding that the videos from these Shorts creators that are regular videos are getting suggested to them on the homepage. Have you noticed this too? Because if this is indeed the case, and it makes a lot of sense that it might be, that would mean that if you have one successful short that gets loads of views, could cause YouTube to blast your other content across the web to people who have seen it. And that could be a lot of people. Content that potentially has ads on, thus you could make more money. Now this point's a community effort. If you think you've noticed that, do let us know below, but it does make sense. And now here's some ways you can make money from Shorts even without a monetized channel. But first, some bad news. Your Shorts views don't count towards your overall channel watch time when it comes to monetization. They do count as watch time, but not to help you get ads. Look here, you can see there's watch time. Look here, YouTube's saying nothing towards ads. Here, watch time. Here, no watch time towards ads. But the subscribers you get from Shorts do count towards monetization. So I'm afraid Shorts won't help you move the needle on the watch time there. Now I've seen some creators saying they're making great money from affiliate links from their Shorts. The only problem being, well, you can't actually click on a link in the description or the comment, so I'm not actually sure how they're doing that. So this is more one for the future, but so long as Shorts don't crash and burn, and even if ad revenue doesn't ever filter down, brands will most likely come in for sponsored content from creators. Now TikTok is the place to be right now. Brands are going bonkers for TikTok influencers. They love sponsoring the next hot thing, and next hot things spring up fast and create a buzz. You know what else does that? Shorts channels. I can see brands flying in soon to offer sponsored posts and all kinds of crazy content being made to try and promote it in a way that's significantly more interesting than the latest Surfshark promo dumped randomly in your favourite YouTuber's video. So if you're worried Shorts won't ever make you any money, well, the only reason that might not happen is if you don't already have ads and then the platform just fails miserably and gets deleted. Otherwise, go get shorting, a word from the verb to short, which of course in Latin would be shortea, shortatis, shortant, shortatamos, shortatis, shortatisant. You didn't know I spoke Latin, did you? So check out this Shorts playlist here to answer more of your Shorts questions. And if you enjoyed that, give us a subscribe. Go on.